interior of the truck is good. I really like it. I didn't do... I did some of the restoration here on the dash area. I didn't do it all. The previous owner put like the face here on there. The shifter knob, they did, work on the transmission, obviously, the engine, all that kind of stuff, which I need to show you all that. But anyway, I'm gonna paint. Okay, so there's not too much rust anywhere. There's a little bit of surface rust there. Okay, a little bit of bad stuff here, which I gotta kind of fix and fix up and that kind of thing. And then there's a little bit of rust there, surface rust. This is all surface rust stuff. It's not terrible. Need to kind of... I've got the plates for this part right here, and I'm going to put speakers in. It's got a nice seat, but I've got to work on cleaning it and that kind of thing. But it's got a nice seat. Yep, that's it.